Have you ever wondered why every single gumball in the world is perfectly round? It's not just for tradition, it's a result of ancient physics and modern engineering designed to make chewing easier and stacking efficient. Let's start with the basics. While we often associate roundness with nature, most candy is actually molded or cut into specific shapes to fit packaging and maximize volume in a bag without wasted airspace. The primary reason for this fear is efficiency. A perfect circular sphere has the smallest surface area for a given volume, which means less sugar coating is wasted during production compared to square or jagged candies. But it's also about physics. When you bite into a round gumball, the pressure is distributed evenly across your teeth and tongue, making it much easier to chew than a hard-edged square piece of candy that could hurt your mouth. To create this perfect shape, manufacturers use a process called centrifugal spinning. They spin liquid sugar in a high-speed machine, and the force pushes the mixture against the edges of the mold to form a flawless sphere before it hardens. Round shape also allows for easy stacking. Whether inside a machine or in a vending slot, spheres can be packed tightly together to ensure every single one drops out smoothly when you turn the crank. So next time you pop a piece in your mouth, remember that its perfect roundness is a triumph of industrial design, balancing material efficiency with the comfort of your own smile. Now you know the science behind the sweetness. What is your favorite flavor of gumball? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into everyday mysteries.